Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track inventory and supplies in ClickUp, your complete 2025 guide. First off, we start by creating a new task for each item in our inventory. Navigate to the Tasks tab, click Create New, and enter the name of the item. This is an important step because ClickUp organizes everything via tasks, and each task is an individual item in our inventory. Now that we've done that, let's add custom fields for each task. These fields can include price, quantity, supplier, and any other relevant information. This helps us because we can track the specific details of each item right within its task. Next up, we're going to set up dependencies. Let's say you have items in your inventory which rely on others. In that case, set these items as waiting on the items they depend on. The reason we do this is to ensure we maintain our inventory in the correct order and avoid any hiccups in supply. Following this, it's time to utilize ClickUp's statuses. Set up your unique workflow using statuses like ordered, in stock, low stock, or out of stock. This is crucial as it helps us visually track the status of our inventory items at a glance. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is now working as your inventory tracking system, keeping you updated about each item's status, quantity, supplier, and more. Isn't that handy? Finally, we need to set up alerts for low stock items. ClickUp allows you to automate notifications when the quantity of an item falls below a certain number. This is a game changer because it means you'll never be caught off guard with low stock again. In conclusion, by using tasks, custom fields, dependencies, statuses, and alerts in ClickUp, you've got a powerful tool to track inventory and supplies efficiently. Remember, the key is to customize ClickUp to fit your specific needs. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. Tracking inventory and supplies in ClickUp can streamline your operations and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep clicking up.